Before we roll into this flowing note, here is a warm, stylish reminder to subscribe and stay connected with more relaxing rides and bright open road moments. When you picture something that blends comfort, adventure, and a sense of glowing pride in the ride, you might find your mind turning toward a Honda Goldwing Trike camper in a bold yellow color that shines like sunrise over a wide open highway. And the moment you imagine that radiant machine, you can feel a soft hum of excitement rising, because this is the kind of ride that invites you to float through your day with a sense of smooth joy and a quiet confidence that every mile is going to be something special. And as you sink into the feeling of that ride, you begin to understand that this is more than transportation. It is your moving piece of happiness, shaped like a trike and colored like the warmest part of the day, waiting to take you anywhere your spirit wants to roam. And as you think of sharing that feeling, you might imagine it rolling across the feet of Motor Plus Zone, where the glow of this beautiful machine fits right into the flow of easygoing inspiration and simple bright energy. The yellow collar on this Honda Goldwing Trike camper is so gentle on the eyes, yet so full of personality, that every time you look at it you feel lifted in a way that is smooth and uncomplicated, like a sunrise drive where the sky is clear and the world feels wide open and welcoming. And that color carries a special sense of optimism, like each ride begins with a promise that something wonderful could be waiting just around the next curve in the road. And as the light plays on the surface of that bright yellow finish, you can almost feel your mood rising, your shoulders relaxing, and your breath deepening, because there is something about this shade that feels alive and joyful without trying too hard. It just exists in an effortless way, and that ease becomes part of your ride, part of your day, and part of the story you share with anyone.
The Trike setup brings a sense of balance that feels like floating gently forward through space, with every movement guided by comfort and control, and that stability makes you feel grounded even as the world moves around you in a soft blur. And the wide stance gives such a secure energy that you never feel rushed or tense, and instead you simply glide along with a steady confidence that invites you to look around, take in the scenery, and settle into the peaceful rhythm of the road in front of you. And that kind of flow is something so many riders dream about, and the Honda Goldwing Trike camper brings it to life in a way that feels natural, warm, and effortless. And then there is the camper aspect of this lovely machine, a feature that amplifies freedom and possibility with such a smooth glow that you feel as though the whole world is now your backyard and your resting place on your personal horizon. And when you imagine unfolding that camper after a long, gentle ride, you can almost hear the soft breeze drifting through a quiet spot under open skies, where your yellow Trike glows nearby like a lantern of calm and comfort. And the camper becomes an extension of that ease, giving you a place to breathe, relax, and enjoy the peaceful moments that make every journey meaningful and memorable. Every detail of the Honda Goldwing Trike camper seems designed to enhance your sense of calm, joy, and connection to the road, from the spacious seating that holds you like a soft, supportive embrace to the smooth rolling performance that turns each mile into a gentle glide where vibrations fade and tension melts away, and you feel as though the machine understands you in a quiet and spoken way and supports you through each curve, each hill, and each stretch of open highway with the grace of something built to bring harmony to every ride. When you imagine yourself taking this yellow Trike camper out for a long day on the road, you might feel the simple pleasure of packing your things, choosing your route, and letting the day unfold at its own relaxing pace, with no rush, no pressure, just a steady, smooth flow of moments that feel warm and balanced and enjoyable. And with every passing mile, the world around you becomes a peaceful, moving painting full of shapes, colors, and sensations that blend into a calm ride that refreshes your mind and soothes your spirit. The bright yellow collar brings a cheerful energy that stands out on any road and makes you feel connected to the light around you, whether it is the glow of the sun at midday or the soft shimmer of early morning when everything feels new and full of potential. And as the ride continues, that color almost becomes a companion, a reminder of positivity, brightness, and simple joy. And the Trike itself supports that feeling by offering comfort, stability, and a sense of effortless control that turns every journey into a flowing experience. The camper attached to this elegant machine adds another layer of meaning to the ride, because it invites you to slow down, pause, and enjoy the soft quiet of a peaceful place and settle into a gentle moment of rest where you can stretch, breathe, and appreciate the subtle sounds of nature blending with the distant memories of the ride. And that combination of motion and stillness becomes something deeply satisfying, something that feels like balance in its purest form. Every time you set up your camper beside a lake, a field, a forest edge, or a quiet spot near a peaceful road, you create a moment where life feels simple and easy. And the bright yellow of your Honda Goldwing Trike camper catches the soft light of the setting sun, making your small space glow with a sense of comfort and welcoming warmth. And as you sit there taking in the scene, you feel grateful for the ability to travel with such smooth freedom and calm confidence. When you ride a machine like this, you are not just moving through the world, you are experiencing it in a way that brings clarity and calm to the mind and a warm glow to the heart, because the Trike configuration offers such a stable, soothing ride that your thoughts settle and your senses come alive as you glide along effortlessly, feeling every moment without any rush or stress. And that experience is made even brighter by the joyful yellow color, which makes each ride feel like a celebration of simple pleasure and open road freedom. Sharing this feeling on platforms like Motor Plus Zone adds another dimension to your experience because it allows others to feel that same warm energy and get inspired by the sight of a glowing yellow Honda Goldwing Trike camper drifting smoothly along a peaceful route, carrying with it the promise of rest, comfort, exploration, and gentle adventure. And as you show this journey, you create a connection with others who also long for that blend of stability, comfort, and freedom that only a Trike camper can offer. This machine speaks not only to riders who love long open road travel, but also to those who appreciate quiet camping moments and gentle evenings spent unwinding beside their bright, beautiful Trike with the soft glow of the camper light and the comforting feeling of having everything you need right there with you, wrapped with the warm color and smooth curve of a Honda machine designed with care and intention. And as you relax in that space, you might feel the day soften around you, the breeze settle, and your thoughts drift into a place of calm satisfaction. The yellow collar adds a visual signature that feels refreshing and uplifting, and it gives the Trike camper a personality that is playful yet elegant, bold yet gentle, bright yet soothing, and that combination creates a unique impression that stays with you long after the ride ends, leaving you with a sense of joy that lingers like the memory of a perfect sunny afternoon ride. Every moment spent with this Honda Goldwing Trike camper feels like a reminder that life can be smooth, simple, and filled with bright open possibilities when you take the time to move at your own pace, breathe deeply, and let the road guide you forward with ease and comfort. And when you share that journey with others, it becomes even more meaningful because the beauty and joy of the ride expand beyond your own experience and touch the hearts of people who see your glowing yellow Trike and imagine themselves gliding through their own peaceful adventure. From the way the sea holds you gently to the way the wind drifts around you in a soft flowing dance, the experience of riding this Trike camper is something that feels almost therapeutic, like a moving meditation that calms the mind and lifts the spirit. And when you pair that feeling with the bright positive energy of the yellow collar, you create a presence on the road that is both soothing and inspiring to everyone who sees you pass by. There is something truly special about the combination of color, comfort, stability, and freedom that this machine represents, and the longer you spend imagining or experiencing it, the more you realize how much joy it brings into each moment. Whether you are cruising along a coast, exploring quiet countryside roads, or setting up your camper for a peaceful night under a sky sprinkled with stars, and each one of those moments becomes part of the story of the ride, a story that grows richer each time you roll forward into a new day of gentle adventure. As your mind drifts through all the possibilities this Honda Goldwing Trike camper brings to your life, you might feel a soft wave of gratitude for the simple beauty of the experience, the calming rhythm of the road, the glowing energy of the yellow finish, and the comforting space offered by the camper waiting to cradle you in a peaceful resting moment whenever you choose to pause and enjoy the quiet. And in those moments, you might also think of sharing the journey with others, letting them see how this bright, joyful machine fits into the warm and inviting world of Motor Plus Zone, where every ride tells a story filled with smooth positivity and gentle excitement. The more you imagine it, the clearer it becomes that this Trike camper is not just a machine but a peaceful companion, a bright partner in your travels, and a source of steady comfort that follows you through every turn, every mile, and every quiet campsite. And the joyful character of the yellow collar brings a soft sunshine energy into each moment, reminding you to enjoy the ride, breathe easily, and feel the calm happiness that the open road offers to anyone willing to glide forward with an open heart. And now, as we wrap this flowing note with the same gentle energy we began with, here is a soft, gentle reminder to subscribe and stay connected for more smooth, uplifting journeys ahead.